Alright, so you got your part here. So you're gonna go to setup. We're gonna select the orientation. We want our Z pointing up. So I'm gonna go to Z. I'm gonna click the top of the part. I'm gonna go to the origin. I'm gonna change the location. So I'm gonna base it off this stock point right here. And I'm gonna go to the stock size and make it 0 and hit OK. Alright, so we have our XYZ 0 at this corner. So I'm gonna go to drilling and we'll select the tool. So I'm gonna go to my Fusion 360 library, go to hole making. I'm gonna use this drill filter, the diameter. We'll make it equal 1 inch because we have 1 inch drill. I'm gonna hit select. And I'm gonna go to the geometry tab. Alright, so in the geometry tab, you would click this and then click the face. Now, a little tip, you don't actually have to click that. You can just come right over here and click the face. Okay. So notice the preview, it doesn't show the hole going through the part. That brings you to the hype tab. On the whole bottom right here, we need to check drill tip through bottom. All right, so I'm gonna hit OK. If I right click on the setup, I can go to simulate. And this is where you verify the toolpath is correct, so you don't have any accidents on the machine. And now we're ready to post code, so I'm gonna right click on the setup. I'm gonna go to post process. I'm gonna give it a name. Right, I'm gonna give it a number and a name. And I'm gonna save it to a location. And this is my G code. I left a lot out, but you know, that's the overall process. Okay, so